Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you a fun game named Slither.io. And first you need to put your nickname, and then you if you want, you can choose play online or play against. The play against is faster gameplay, and the play online needs Wi-Fi, and it's not a faster gameplay. So let's get started. So I'm gonna choose play against. There you go. Make sure you you don't stick to another player, and if they stick to you, they lose. And when they're dead already, you can get the light. I don't know what it's called, but the light ones like this. And let me show you what happens if they stick. See, it's a fun game. You can choose whatever patterns you want, and you just need to keep on eating the lights, and you will grow on. And you can see their scores in the, you know, and this is a really fun app. And I hope you download this because it's really fun. Do you know why? Why? See, I stick on to her. That's what happens when you stick on another player. And if they stick on you, remember, they will be dead. And you can eat what lights they get, and you'll be longer. So last time my score is my really big score is 4,662. And comment down below if you download this, and if you download this and you play with it, what is your biggest score? Bye. Thanks for watching, and like and subscribe. Bye.